The other day, I got an email from someone asking, "How can I make people obsessed with me or like me?" And honestly, it got me thinking. The goal shouldn't be to make someone else obsessed or like you. The real goal is to become obsessed with yourself. When you genuinely love who you are, others naturally become drawn to you. That's just how it works. The truth is, you can't force someone to be like or be obsessed with you. People become intrigued by you when they see how much you're investing in yourself, whether that's your time, energy, or resources. When you're actively loving yourself, it shows. And because self-love and confidence are things a lot of people lack, they're often attracted to those who have it. They want to be around you, they want to be like you, because you embody something they're searching for in themselves. So if you're really wondering how to make others obsessed with you, the answer is that it's all about focusing on you. The moment people see that you're pursuing your passions, taking care of yourself, and leveling up in every area of your life, that's when they start to gravitate towards you. High-vibe people are naturally attracted to other high-vibe people. You can't attract positive, high-energy individuals if you're stuck in a negative state. It's not about where you are in life, it's about your mindset. If you have a positive outlook, visualize great things for yourself, and stay focused on your growth. You're radiating a high vibration, and that's what attracts similar energy. If this message is resonating with you, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might benefit. But if you're sitting around in a negative headspace, thinking nothing good ever happens to you, or that success and happiness are only for the lucky ones, you won't attract those good vibes. First, get your mindset right. If you want people to be drawn to you, give them something amazing to be drawn to. Sitting at home, feeling down, and surrounding yourself with negativity won't make people fascinated by you. People are attracted to energy, to passion, to self-love. Once you get clear on the version of yourself you want to become, the version that even you would be obsessed with, that's when things start to change. Imagine the best version of yourself. What would she or he look like? How would she or he act? Where does she or he spend their time? Is he or she going to the gym? Does he or she have a unique style? Who does she or he hang out with? When you start to see this ideal version of yourself clearly and start acting like that person, even if you're not fully there yet, you'll find that the people who can help you grow and who are drawn to that energy will start to appear in your life. When you're genuinely invested in yourself and committed to your own goals and passions, you don't even need or want people to be obsessed with you. You're just happy living your best life. You often see this when someone goes through a breakup. They start working on themselves, getting fit, making new friends, and eventually, they forget about their ex entirely. They don't need anyone else to complete them because they've found fulfillment within themselves. Confidence and energy are powerful. Think of someone who walks into a room without caring about impressing anyone. He or she is there just to have fun and enjoy themselves. That kind of person radiates confidence and joy, and people are naturally drawn to them. They are not focused on who's watching, they are just focused on having a good time. And that magnetic energy, that's what attracts people effortlessly. Everything you want, all your dreams, starts with you. The faster you realize that the key to happiness and fulfillment is within you, the faster things will start falling into place. When I go somewhere, I'm not worried about who will like me. I already like myself, and that's enough. You have to have something that excites you to get up each morning. Maybe it's a passion, a hobby, or a goal that lights you up. For me, it's creating content like this, seeing my clients, enjoying life, spending time with my family, and seeing progress in myself. Anything that makes me feel good or pushes me forward brings joy into my life. If you want others to be interested in you, like you, or be obsessed with you, they should feel like they want to be part of your life because it seems exciting and fulfilling. When people see you genuinely enjoying life and thriving, they want to experience that energy too. But if you're sitting around doing nothing, feeling down, and waiting for someone to notice you, there's nothing magnetic about that. So here's the game plan to everyone watching this. First, focus on becoming the most attractive version of yourself, whatever that looks like to you. Picture the best version of you. What does she or he look like? How does she or he act? What's your style? What does your life look like? Second, work on your mindset. Start journaling, maybe see a therapist. Do whatever it takes to get your mind in a positive, confident place. Looking good is a mentality as much as it is physical. Third, find something that excites you, that makes you look forward to each day. If your job doesn't do that, then find something outside of it that brings you joy. Maybe it's a sport, a creative hobby, or an activity that also helps you work towards your ideal self. And finally, surround yourself with affirmations and positive influences. Listen to messages that build you up and hang out with people who support and inspire you. When you go out to have fun, not to impress anyone. When your focus is just on enjoying yourself, people will feel that energy and will be drawn to it. Once you understand that energy is everything, life changes completely. So yes, in the end, you'll have people coming to you asking, how can I make others obsessed with me? Because they'll see you're confident, glowing, and genuinely living your best life. And that's what makes people want to be around you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more on confidence and self-love, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.